To sell covered calls on Webull, start by understanding what a covered call is. A covered call is a trading strategy where you sell or short a call option on a stock you already own. This strategy can help you generate additional income from your existing stock holdings. First, open the Webull app and navigate to the stock you want to sell a covered call on. Make sure you own the underlying stock, as this is a requirement for selling covered calls. Next, click on the Trade button and select Options from the menu. Then select the call option you want to sell. You can choose from various expiration dates and strike prices. When choosing a strike price, consider the current market price of the stock. If you want to sell a call with a higher chance of expiring worthless, choose a strike price above the current market price. If you want to sell a call with a higher chance of being exercised, choose a strike price below or near the current market price. After selecting the call option, enter the number of contracts you want to sell. Each contract represents 100 shares of the underlying stock. Make sure you own enough shares to cover the number of contracts you are selling. Once you have entered the details, review the order and confirm it. The order will be executed, and the premium from the sale of the call option will be credited to your account. It is essential to monitor your position and be prepared to sell additional shares if the call option is exercised. You can also close the position by buying back the call option before expiration. Best practices for selling covered calls include regularly reviewing your portfolio, adjusting your strategy as needed, and considering the potential risks and rewards. Selling covered calls can be a powerful way to generate additional income from your stock holdings. But it also involves risks, such as the potential obligation to sell your shares at the strike price. By following these steps and considering the key concepts, you can effectively sell covered calls on Webull and potentially increase your investment returns.